Hi, I'm Aaron from 2H Media, and in this video, I want to talk about landing pages that actually convert. I spend a lot of energy communicating the need for landing pages. If your marketing efforts are just pushing people onto your homepage, then you're missing out on serious conversion opportunities. But if you build landing pages and then don't optimize them, you're not doing yourself any favors in terms of converting visitors into customers. So how do you build landing pages that actually convert? Well, like most things, simple tends to be better. When a potential customer visits your webpage, you only have a few seconds to capture their attention before they back out of your website and look for a different solution. With that in mind, your landing pages need to be simple and free of distractions, and they also need to provide value to your potential customers as early as possible. One of the best things you can do to improve conversions through your landing pages is include attention-grabbing titles that keep your customers on page. Once you've grabbed their attention, you need to explain the value you provide as quickly as possible and in very simple terms. You also need to establish trust with your potential customers, which can be achieved very simply using reviews and testimonials. So if you're utilizing simple, uncluttered landing pages with attention-grabbing titles that clearly explain your value, and you're leveraging social proof to build trust with your potential customers, the most important thing you can do to improve your conversions is include clear calls to action that make it very easy for your potential customers to become actual customers. If your landing page is for a product, make it easy for people to go to checkout with a single click. And if your landing page is for a service, make it simple for people to get a hold of you through a contact form or a booking calendar. If you want to make your landing pages even more effective, consider including video somewhere on the page. Video is one of the most effective assets that you can use to increase conversions. If this sounds like something that you'll need professional help with, we'd love to have a conversation with you. And I encourage you to book a strategy session with one of our experts. We'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that makes sense for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forward with confidence and clarity. If that sounds impactful, then book a strategy session. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.